Hello sheddies, and you join me again in my shed. I hope you're all well and getting well into 2023. After the new year, I may mention in one of my videos that I'm doing a few home renovations, well quite a few home renovations to be honest. One of the things I'm doing, I'm putting a bathroom from downstairs to upstairs, where it should be really. And I've been digging out for a drainage pipe. Now it's all clay by the way. I cut out the top slab, concrete slab, and then it's clay all the way down. I need to go a metre down. I got most of the way down and I thought I needed something a little bit better. So I got a post shovel, you know, one of them grabbers. Let me show you what I got. Let me show you using it and I'll come back to you in a minute. Oh, and I've got something to show you as well that I've mentioned in one of my other videos. I can't keep a secret. Dante? Dante? What are you doing? So there it is, worked really well. I've just cleaned it all down after using it. It's made by Draper Expert and it's called a heavy duty all steel post hole digger. And it's the cheapest one I could find, or cheapest one on Amazon as well. It's 30 something pounds, but have a look for yourself. And the main reason for using it, because it's so deep, it's hard to get a spade in there or shovel to get the clay out. Now what I did, as you may have seen in the video, I used a spade just to free some of it up. I didn't want to spend too much, and I will be using it again for fence posts, that sort of thing. I found if you twist it, it can dig a lot better when it gets into gravel. When I got close to the soil pipe, I found there was gravel and stuff around it. So if you twist it, it sort of digs in a lot better. But I've not tried it yet on general soil, general earth, and I'll bring out another video when I do. But this was mainly for clay. And I'd already dug out probably around 500 mil, something like that, but I need to get a metre deep, and this took me the rest of the way. And you can dig in with the clay, gets to about there. The clay sticks a little bit, but if you get a stone on the side or a slab or something, you can just knock it off as you go along or scrape it. To use it, the handles are open at the moment, and then it pinches at the end, and then close the handles together and it opens it up. I'm doing it with one hand at the minute, so it's a bit hard to show, but you get the general idea. And if it was general earth, if you weren't worried about cables being below it or pipes, then you could really stab it in the ground and take a good chunk out. But I was being quite cautious because obviously I was going down to the soil pipes. Pivot point just there, bolts and nuts. It's got some end caps at the end of the tube. And there, and then at the end as well. The one downfall with it, I think, and I've got to try it a little bit more to see if it's worth modifying, but these stoppers here, so at the minute it stops at that point, well there's still a little bit of a gap without cracking your knuckles together, so when you close it in, so I'm thinking of taking a little bit more of that out, maybe repainting it, and then I've got a wider opening when I'm going in. First of all, I think it will cope with it, or maybe bend the handles out slightly and then chop a little bit away so you don't crack your knuckles at that end. I don't know. At the minute it's working all right for what I needed it for that dig out, but we'll try it on a fence post at a later date. So the shovel depth is 250 mil-ish, 150 mil, and then the total length, I know that, is 1400 mil, or around 55 inches. And the thing I wasn't going to show you yet, but I'm going to show you anyway, because I can't keep anything from you guys. I mentioned in one of my videos that I want to make a video arcade machine with all classic games on there. I want to do it like a suitcase style design. I've got a few designs that I want to show you soon, time allowing. I've got all sorts at the minute, but I'll get there. Don't worry, I will get there. But I bought the console to make it up. and I'm going to use a PC screen as well. There it is. Let me give you a little glimpse of some of the classic games you can play on it. It's got thousands on there. Who remembers this then? Space Invaders. This is more authentic, black and white version. Reminds me, do you remember the Atari 2600s? Donkey Kong! Fantastic. A bit more modern, Sonic the Hedgehog. And there's loads more games on it. So I bought that. I already had a PC screen that I want to utilise. And the idea is it's going to go into a case and it folds up. And I even thought of a name for it. I'm going to call it Case Invaders. It's going to be on the screen at the top. But I'm going to go into more detail on that in a later video. So subscribe if you're new here. Thanks for watching. Take care. Cheers.